A surprising piece of proposed tax legislation, which could very likely become reality, is the loss of the step-up in basis on assets passed at death. Now, even with an exemption amount of $1 million for an individual and $2 million for a married couple, and then an additional $250,000 for an individual and $500,000 for a married couple exemption on the gain on a primary residence, the loss of a step-up can easily be a middle-class tax hike. As an example, let's say that your Aunt B bought a house decades ago for $200,000, and it's now worth $1.8 million. Under the current law, Aunt B could pass the house to her heirs free of capital gains tax, and her heirs would adopt the $200,000 basis. But under the Biden administration's proposal, there would be a capital gains tax assessed on $350,000 of the house's value, after subtracting out the $1.25 million exemption. Life insurance becomes increasingly important in these types of situations where a tax bill will be due at death. Instead of finding the cash to pay the taxes, or worse, having to liquidate an asset like the house, having income tax-free death benefit can save the day. In the past, we've talked about how high net worth individuals recharacterize their investments as life insurance using private placement life insurance. Now, these folks end up receiving a step-up in basis because the full value of the investments is passed to heirs as part of the policy income tax-free death benefit, which is also free of capital gains tax. Now, middle-class investors may not have access to private placement life insurance, but they do have access to traditional cash value policies, and that can be used to shelter savings and escape the punishing taxation resulting from a loss of a step-up in basis at death. This has this group of people repositioning some savings from retail stocks and bonds to maximum funding a cash value life insurance policy. At Life Insurance Strategies Group, we don't sell products. We help our clients make decisions about complex life insurance situations. If we can help you determine if you're a candidate for life insurance because of the loss of a step-up in basis, reach out to us at lifeinsurancestrategiesgroup.com.